friends. Today we will be making a simple gingerbread man puzzle. First things first, coloring. So you just pick the colors of what you want and it'll turn out really good. So if your gingerbread has a candy cane in its hands, you don't have to color it just like a candy cane. You can color it however you want. So, yeah. Okay. Let's see here. So, coloring. Mine takes a long time to color. Now, it's okay if you get out of the lines because we will cut this out because it's supposed to be a puzzle. Okay, after you're done coloring it, just like so, time for the next part. Have some scissors and start to cut it out. And cut your little man out. Just like so. If you didn't have enough time to color, which you obviously you didn't, you can pause the video and color and then come back to the cutting part. This might take me a while, but I'm halfway through. Now, if you want this to be a girl, you could make a skirt, which I want mine to be a girl, so I'm going to add a skirt at the end. Alright, next part. Now, after you've colored it and cut it out, next thing is the next part. You cut it, because then you can make it into a puzzle. But first, before I cut mine all the way, I have to make my skirt. Now, if you want to make a skirt, you can make it any way you want. I'm just making mine easy, just like a skirt.
But the black one says.
No. That's how you make a little skirt. And then you keep on cutting to make it like that. You're going to need a bag to put this in. If you're making it for a friend, you can put it in a bag. But if it's for you, you can leave it at home. So that was the last step. But now, if it's for our friends, we have to put it in the bag. And then ziplock it. Oh, I forgot the piece. And there you have it, a gingerbread man puzzle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Merry Christmas!